Hello, Victor here from RestoreYourMercedes.com. Today this video is for Elvis in Long Island, local customer here with two pumps he brought to me, both for door locking mechanism. There's a door locks, the trunk release handle that comes out from the trunk lid, backup, reverse antenna, and there's little backup antennas that come out from the trunk in the back of the car. Lumbar supports, inflation of lumbars, all multi-contour seats, and some climate control features. The most notable feature is the rest feature, and this pump provides vacuum for it. Alright, so basically this seemed to be an early style pump, because based on design that is like somewhere circa 92, maybe 93 looks to be. Actually, I think on the motor it said somewhere. No, I don't see anything. Well, I'm just saying, this does look like it is an early design. Later design pumps are different. No, I cannot see it. So anyway, later designs are simplified than this. Okay, internally, Elvis, it was very dark. You saw this like all dusty. There's lots of accumulation of the graphite dust everywhere. The hose was loose, so I replaced it. This is the main supply hose. It has to be nice, otherwise it'll release itself. It'll pop off and there will be no pressure. Vacuum will not make it get loose, but pressure can push it off. Okay, so that I replaced. The adjustment we might have to do for the actual mechanism in terms of the suction and pressure, like these little things here. You can see there are little adjustments here. There's a little adjustment there. So as you look at this one adjusts and activates shut-off valve. Same for this one. This is for vacuum, it goes down. Same for this one. So there's a couple of minor adjustments we can't do if it doesn't work correctly when you bring the car over. Motor situation, brand new motor. Opened it up, just put some thread lock on it, a blue one, so it can be removed. Again, this is early style pump. The actual vane mechanism is older style. One of these is your motor. I believe it's this one right here. So you know, this motor was not great, but it did work though. But who knows how much it has left in it, because it's over 20 years old now. These are the motors from your friend's pump. Your friend's pump is finished, and that's a little newer style pump. As you can see, this one is newer style. This is Bosch. The other one is Hella. You can see this is Hella. Okay, West Germany, made in West Germany. This is already just made in Germany. Oh, actually, I'm sorry, made in France. I'm sorry. This is Bosch pump, and you see design slightly different, and basically the air intake is slightly different, as you can see. This is the newer style air intake, and this is Hella's inner intake. So whatever, it doesn't matter. Internals are very close. So, but this one is good now. I got it working, no problem. So now, just wanted to show you the motor operation, so you know it was replaced. So I'm gonna put the voltage, very low voltage, only 2 volts. Motor is already spinning. It's great. Brand new vanes, as you can see, nice and clean. And full power it now. You can see 2 volts. That was 14. It's 2 volts. Pump runs great, very powerful. That's vacuum and pressure. Works nice. So this is basically what I wanted to show you, that everything's fine. As you can see, even it stops with a couple of spins when power is released. So that's nice. So that means it spins nice and free now. So many more years of operation this pump is going to give you. Alright, that was basically the purpose of this video, just to show you that the motor is replaced and the pump is cleaned up. As you can see, it's nice and clean in there now. It was all covered with dust, black nasty dust from graphite wear in the motor. Alright, well, this was Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. You can do local pumps, replace motors in these, common issue. Thanks for watching.